Hey everybody, welcome back to another Picsart tutorial. Today I'm going to show you the ways to make a sticker in your Picsart. So it's a very simple procedure, follow the simple steps. So we're going to open up or login into your Picsart account, then press the plus icon at the bottom. Now go ahead and access the gallery first of all so that you could go ahead and make a sticker out of your images. Now I'm going to go ahead and select this one. So here you go, this is the one. Now if you want to go ahead and make a sticker out of it, cut out at the bottom and click on this icon at the bottom. Now you could go ahead and select the part you wish to go ahead and add it to your sticker outline. You could also go ahead and change the background, all that. Now that you've actually selected this, click on the clone. You need to go ahead and click on the erase button. You need to go ahead and click it out. So as you can see, this is being selected. So as you can see, it's already been collected here. So if you want to go ahead and use it, so you could just go ahead and use this by going to the stickers tab. So you can see this is how you could go ahead and make a sticker out of your image. So now I've actually not done it in a perfect way, but then if you go ahead and make changes with your settings, enhance the size and shape, then this is going to be wiped as a sticker. So in order to access the sticker, you just have to go to the stickers tab and then you need to go to the collections at the bottom. You can find that these are the two stickers that's available. So that's how you could go ahead and make sticker in your Picsart account. That's over this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.